Hello, this is Caspian, the developer of the extension, and this demo video is just to showcase the extension itself, what it looks like when you install it, how the search actually works, and other use cases for the extension. Hey, so I'm just going to demonstrate how you would search in the default transcript. So you have to Control F and then toggle through the words you're looking for, and it's not very clean, but it kind of does get the job done. To open up this transcript, by the way, you can open it up in the description, and then I'm just going to show you what this extension does. So it actually integrates the search into the transcript, so it's cleaner and more easy to use. And now that we actually have the integrated search for YouTube transcript extension installed and toggled on, we can actually see how much easier and cleaner it is to search for words in a video now. Burger. And I'm just going to demonstrate some examples of how to use this extension and where it might be useful. So for the first example, you're watching a compilation of Joe Rogan when he gets the most heated. And you see Portman comes up when they're talking about Fury being a real boxer or not. And so you go to the actual video and it's 3 hours and there's not many timestamps or anything. So what this extension allows you to do is just search real boxer, and then you can click to the timestamp and actually watch the clip in full context.
Of course he's a real boxer. No, he's a professional boxer. Is he a world champion? No, but maybe he is.
For the second example, we're just watching a Dr. Mike video, and we want to see critiques on pretty bad deadlift form. So we just look up deadlift, and the first example pops up, and we can just skip to that right away.
You will notice that he is wearing wrist wraps.
And for a fun example of using this extension as a word counter, we just see how many times Harry actually comes up in this explanation summary of Harry Potter in 99 seconds. And it's only 5, which is pretty funny. And so I'm just going to show another use case for this extension. So this is a pretty long video, so it's 13.5 hours. So it takes a while for it to load. But once it has loaded, you can go to the extension and you can actually download the transcript itself, and it's a file that you can just access, which has the transcript at the timestamp as well as the words. And so yeah, so if you want to use this extension to look through videos, you can, but also if you just want to get the transcript quickly, you can use it for that as well.